In today's video, let's talk about how to use BeReal on multiple devices. Welcome back to a quick guide video on how Genic. If you're trying to use your BeReal account on a different device, you can easily use it, but you don't have the option of using it simultaneously, meaning it is not possible to use the same BeReal account once you are logged into an account on a different device. If you try to log into a different device, it will automatically log you out on the older device when the new one logs in. So the way that you do it is just log into your BeReal account, add in your phone number, and then add in the verification code. This way, if you are logged into another device as well, the other device will be automatically logged out. This is the only way that you can log into a different device, but without having or logged in simultaneously. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.